RBI Act 1934, Chapter 1st, Preliminary. Section 1, Short Title, Extent and Commencement. Section 2, Definitions. Chapter 2, Incorporation, Capital, Management and Business. Section 3, Establishment and Incorporation of Reserve Bank. Section 4, Capital of the Bank. Section 5, Increase and Reduction of the Share Capital. Section 6, Offices, Branches and Agencies. Section 7, Management. Section 8, Composition of the Central Board and Term of Office of Director. Section 9, Local Boards, their constitution and function. Section 10, Disqualification of Directors and Members of Local Board. Section 11, Removal from the Vacation of Office. Section 12, Casual Vacancies and Absences. Section 13, Meeting of the Central Board. Section 14 to 16, General Meeting, First Constitution of the Central Board, First Constitution of Local Board. Section 17, Business which the bank may transact. Section 18, Power of direct discount, lender to the last resort. Section 88, Validity of loans or advance not to be questioned. Section 19, Business which the bank may not transact. Chapter 3, Central Banking Functions. Section 20, Obligation of the bank to transact government businesses. Section 21, Bank to have the right to transact government business in India. Section 21A, Bank to transact government business of state on agreement. Section 21B, Effect of agreement made between the bank and certain state before the 1st November 1956. Section 22, Right to issue bank notes. Section 22A, Non-applicability of certain provisions to digital form of banknote. Section 23, Issue Department. Section 24, Denomination of notes. Section 25, Form of banknotes. Section 26, Legal tender character of notes. Section 26A, certain banknotes to be seized to be legal tender. Section 27, Reissue of notes. Section 28, Recovery of notes lost, stolen, mutilated or imperfect. Section 28A, Issue of special banknotes and special 1 rupee notes in certain cases. Section 29, Bank exempt from stamp duty on banknotes. Section 30, Power of central government to supersede central board. Section 31, Issue of demand bills and note. Section 33, Asset of the issue department. Section 34, Liabilities of the issue department. Section 35, Section 37, Suspension of asset requirement as to foreign securities. Section 38, Obligation of a government and the bank in respect of rupee coin. Section 39, Obligation to supply different form of currency. Section 40, Transaction in foreign exchange. Section 41, Obligation to buy sterling. Section 41A, Obligation to provide remittance between India and Burma. Section 42, Cash reserve of scheduled bank to be kept with the bank. Section 43, Publication of consolidated statement by the bank. Section 43A, Protection of action taken in good faith. Section 44, Power to require return from cooperative bank. Section 45, Appointment of agents. Chapter 3A, Collection and furnishing of credit information. From 45A to 45G. 45A, Definitions. 45B, Power of bank to collect credit information. 45C, Power to call for return containing credit information. Section 45 D. Procedure for furnishing credit information to banking companies. Section 45E. Disclosure of information prohibited. Section 45A. Certain claims for compensation bad. 45G. Penalties. Chapter 3B. Provisions relating to non-banking institutions receiving deposit and financial institutions. From Chapter 45H to 45QB. Section 45H. Chapter 3B not to apply in certain cases. Section 45I. Definitions. Section 45IA. Requirement of registration and net own fund. Section 45IB. Maintenance of percentage of asset. Section 45IC. Reserve fund. Section 45ID. Power of bank to remove director from office. Section 45IE. Supersession of board of directors of non-banking financial company other than government company. Section 45J. Bank to regulate or prohibit issue of prospectus or advertisement soliciting deposit of money. Section 45JA. Power of bank to determine policy and issue direction. Section 45K. Power of bank to collect information from non-banking institution as to deposit and to give direction. Section 45L. Power of bank to call for information from financial institution and to give direction. Section 45M. Duty of non-banking institutions to furnish statements, etc. required by bank. Section 45MA. Power and duties of auditors. Section 45MAA. Powers to take action against auditor. Section 45MB. Power of bank to prohibit acceptance of deposit and alienation of asset. Section 45MBA. Resolution of non-banking financial company. Section 45MC. Power of bank to file winding up petition. Section 48N. Inspection. Section 45NA. Deposits not to be solicited by unauthorized person. Section 45NAA. Power in respect of group companies. Section 45NB. Disclosure of information. Section 45NC. Power of bank to exempt. Section 45O. Penalties. Section 45P. Cognizance of offence. Section 45Q. Chapter 3B to override other laws. Section 45QB. Power of company law board to offer repayment of deposit. Section 45QB. Nomination by depositors. Chapter 3C. Prohibition of acceptance of deposit by unincorporated bodies. From Section 45R to 45T. Section 45R. Interpretation. Section 45S. Deposits not to be accepted in certain cases. Section 45T. Power to issue search warrants. Chapter 3D. Regulation of transactions in derivatives, money market instrument, securities, etc. From Section 45U to Section 45X. Section 45U. Definitions. Section 45V. Transactions in derivatives. Section 45W. Power to regulate transactions in derivatives, money market instrument, etc. 45X. Duty to comply with direction and furnish information. Chapter 3E. Joint mechanism. Section 45Y Joint Mechanism. Chapter 3A Monetary Policy. Important. Start from Section 45Z to Section 45ZO. Section 45Z. Provisions of this chapter to override other provisions of Act. Section 45ZA Inflation Target. Section 45ZB Constitution of Monetary Policy Committee. Section 45ZC Eligibility and selection of member appointed by central government. Section 45ZD Terms and condition of appointment of member of Monetary Policy Committee. Section 45ZE Removal of members of Monetary Policy Committee. Section 45ZF Vacancies etc. not to invalidate proceedings of Monetary Policy Committee. Section 45ZG Secretary to Monetary Policy Committee appointed by Governor. Section 45ZH Information for Monetary Policy Committee member. Section 45ZI Meeting of Monetary Policy Committee. Section 45ZJ Step to be taken to implement decision on Monetary Policy Committee. Section 45ZK Publication of decisions. Section 45ZL Publication of proceedings of meeting of Monetary Policy Committee. Section 45ZM Monetary Policy Report. Section 45ZN Failure to maintain inflation target. Section 45ZO Power to make rules. Chapter 4 General Provisions. Start from Section 46 to Section 58A. Section 46 Contributed by central government to the reserve fund. Contribution by central government to the reserve fund. Section 46A Contribution to National Rural Credit Long-Term Operation Fund and National Rural Credit Stabilization Fund. Section 46B repealed. Section 46C National Industrial Credit LTO Fund. Section 46D National Housing Credit LTO Fund. Section 47 Allocation of surplus profits. Section 48 Exemption of bank from income tax and super tax. Section 49 Publication of bank rate. Section 50 Auditors. Section 51 Appointment of special auditors by Government of India. Section 52 Powers and duty of auditors. Section 53 Returns. Section 54 Rural Credit and Development. Section 54A Delegation of powers. Section 54AA Power of bank to depute its employee to other institutions. Section 55 and Section 56 Report by the bank power to require declaration as the ownership of registered shares. Section 57 Liquidation of the bank. Section 57A Powers of bank not to apply to International Financial Services Center. Section 58 Power of the Central Board to make regulations. Section 58A Protection of action taken in good faith. Chapter 5 Penalties. Start from Section 58B to 58G. Section 58B Penalties. Section 58C offenses by companies. Section 58D application of Section 58B bad. Section 58E cognizance of offenses. Section 58F application of fine. Section 58G power of bank to impose fine.